Hello friends, hope you are having a fantastic day today. Now, I want your opinion on something and that's why I'm making this video. I'm planning to create somewhere between 2 to 4 live sessions every week depending on my schedule and availability on various topics related to computer systems and software engineering as a whole. So the topics can be anything. We can talk about like data structure and algorithms. We can talk about system design concepts. We can talk about building complex systems, things like cloud computing, distributed computing, microservices, OAuth, APIs, you name it. And what I plan to do is that during these sessions, I will go through the concept in very detail oriented way. So we will talk about everything there is to explore, what type of questions can ask, how does it interact in the actual real job, what are the benefits, what are the pros and cons, what are some of the tools available in the industry, maybe like on Azure or AWS or GCP, what are different options available, how can you leverage that, and things like that. On top of it, during these live sessions, you can join in and I would continue to monitor the chat. So if you have any particular questions that you want to ask, we can also interact about that. So I want to make this as interactive as possible. On top of it, once we are done with that live session, I would spend some additional time offline to create a separate video on that. And that video would only be like 15 or 20-minute video that covers most of the overall highlight of the whole thing we discuss. But the idea is that in the live session, we will talk about everything from the beginning. In the video, it would just be like a regular videos that I have been uploading. So let me know about your thoughts on this idea. Because the reason I got interested in this is like a couple of days back, I created a live stream talking everything related to behavioral interviews. And I personally felt that it was a good initiative. So I want to continue this in the future, but with almost all the important topics. So topics related to system design interview or technical interviews or graphs, data structure, algorithms, patterns, you name it, whatever you want, we can talk about that. And as long as, so it would be a good exercise on my part, because every week I would get to understand like 2 or 3 more topics in much more detail. It would be more beneficial to you because if you are struggling with something, you can learn it. If you already know it, that's great. You are a genius. So let me know what your thoughts are. Okay, thank you.